Alright guys, so we advanced a lot today. We got the panel in, all nicely wired, labeled. Fantastic work by our team. Always thinking ahead by marking this. So when we do our hot check, it'll be easy. Water heater, switches, garage door opener. Still got to land a couple of wires in our boxes. Today we were chipping. This is the laundry room. We were chipping today, so had to get that out of the way. Got most of our pancakes up. Also on the exterior, they're gonna begin stuccoing, so everything's gonna look nice and neat. Got a pancake. The wire's just on the other side. I'm not gonna put it through because then the stucco people will mess it all up. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? Getting it done or what? Really like how that panel came out. Everything looking good. People are getting drywall in. Operators.